Good morning, traders. It is 11:40 on the 14th of June. Today is a Wednesday, and markets have been very wild as of now. So, what I have done is I have bought a call option, and the reason why is very simple. I'll show you why. It fell down. Market opened gap up, about 100 points gap up, and came down. And it stayed above this low. It did not break the low of the previous day, and the RSI shot up to a maximum over here, but did not even break this high. The last RSI that was here, it was over here. So over here, then again broke down, and now it's taking support. Now over here, you can see that the RSI is higher. It's at the same level, but the RSI is higher than this RSI over here or at this level. So now if we are looking for a breakout, it has to beat this level. I've drawn these levels beforehand. So I'm going to wait for these levels to crack, and I'm going to hold a call option that I have bought over here. 43,900 call option at 231. I've taken very heavy quantity because currently I am in a loss of around 7,000 rupees. So I am looking to have this breakout and move up to at least 250 plus. So I've really taken additional quantity. I put my stop loss at the swing low of this particular strike. So let's see how this goes. It's 11:41 right now. Hoping to for this to crack 231, which is my buy price, and then above 250, I'll start selling it off. Okay, traders, time is 12:08, and what happened over here is I was somewhere around 227, 228, 226. So it spiked up a bit. It went to 244. My original target was 250. For the first target was 250, and then after I started diving down. But seeing the SAR levels over here, I'm waiting for this now just to do a simple hunting and then go back up. So 12:09 p.m. right now, and just like yesterday, I think the market is going to range. It's going to just keep hunting up and down, and then do a final fly up. Because over here, as you can see, it's holding this level very well. It's taking good support. So unless this breaks, there's no bearish movement. And the support is over here at 43,950. So now if this starts moving up, which it is doing right now, as you can see, yes, see, it's hunting and then just moving up. So I'm going to wait till these levels are broken, and then I will start planning how to mark my exits. I'm really loaded very heavily into this trade. Let's see how this works out. Right, traders, time is 1:12 p.m. and look at this, from 232 directly to 64. Now I've shifted my stop loss to cost, so if this does fall down, there is no loss for me. But the alarming thing here is it is still in a range. If you see this range, a little spike over here, probably a price action. If it breaks out of this box, we're going to see a really good rally. But I am not expecting too much. I am just going to keep watching this because a little spike like this. See the spike. It's still within this range, but this shot out of this range all the way till here. So was it some really big buying that's going on, and probably some shorters are exiting the positions? Because see, from here it was shorted and here it was sold. Okay, then the price, the position bookings were closing. Now with such a big spike, it could either be buyers entering, or it could be the sellers who have exited. So if we cross and stay above 257 in this particular option trade, we will see a good rise on the upside. I'm still waiting for a breakout to happen. I really don't know, it could be up or down, but I am waiting and I'm watching. Okay, traders, another profitable day. If you can see over here, 231 was my buy point, and first target was 250, which took forever, I think, to reach there. It shot up to almost 265, came back down, and then it met my second target at 268. Right now I pulled my stop loss to 255 over here at the bottom of this candle, and I will now keep trailing it once this high breaks, because I have a very strong feeling. See, it's not broken the range, but the call options have been expanding incredibly. So I really don't know what's going on. Is there going to be a drop? Is there going to be a fly up? So right now I have secured my profit. So I'll share the profit loss statement at the end of the day. Right now it's 1:33 p.m. and I am waiting to see what happens next. If this starts and breaks out above this level of 270, the high of this candle, I'll shift my stop loss up and keep trailing it and see how much I can collect. Okay, traders, time is 3:30, and this is my profit and loss statement for the day. Amazing day. It was wild. It market where I thought it will take some support. After a drop, it just broke through and started ranging throughout. Even in that range, I was able to make a good profit to even out completely a plus and a minus. So actually, my profit and loss, as you can see from the transactions today, this was the loss I had in the morning, which was 8,000 plus, almost 8,000, but it came down to minus 7, 9. So I squared it off over here, and then I had to play the battles. Bajaj Auto call option, I had shorted it over here. I made it 1100, then 43,900 call option where the spike happened despite Bank Nifty moving in a range. I booked 5,300 over there and then 1,000 over here. So these three trades, 5,363,73, these three trades took care of this loss, and then small trades over here 700, 700, 300, 500. So all this came out to be a profit of 700 total for the day. I'm really satisfied with this move because starting the day with a 8,000 loss was not something I anticipated. It was very heart wrenching, but I managed to plan my moves very carefully, and I managed to come out of it in green. So tomorrow, the plan would be to just take my own sweet time and wait for an entry. Market has been in the same range for the past 2 days, and not likely to be breaking upper or lower. Resistance and supports are very strong, and at the money, the options are written very heavily. So it's going to be very tricky tomorrow. I will take my time. I will take my views on the trades, and then I will get in. So hope you enjoyed today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please do like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow.